Okay, so last time you saw me, I lost that Battle of the Belt, but guess what? I can make it up because now I'm going to this, short notice. I didn't even know. I'm going to my well, not my home tournament, but, my school's tournament. And so my team and their team are going to wrestle. I'm super excited, and I only have to wrestle twice, which is kind of boring, but I'll make it good. And I'm going to get first, but I don't think there's awards. Awards. A-W-A-R-D. Awards. Awards. Okay, I got it. We have to go get gas first. I'm going to get redemption today. I lost that Battle of the Belt. I lost. I'm mad, so I'm going to pin everyone, and I'm going to show you how good I am. My record right now is 11-2. I lost that Battle of the Belt. We're at the gas station right now, so I'll give you a look at it. Yeah, I need to wait.
And your hosts, the Rock Creek Kids Wrestling Team. Versus
just got home, I won. I still feel like I'm a bad wrestler. I don't know why. But I'm watching one of my favorite YouTubers, and I'm country, so I'm just on the couch sitting down, chilling. Well, good night.